So good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Jessa again, and for today's video we will be going to make a tutorial on how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel using your own videos. So without further ado, let's get started on the video tutorial. Open your YouTube account, so you have to be signed in. So here, your channel, or when you open it, just go here and it says my channel and it opens up here. After you open that, all you have to do is click your videos, and then to create a playlist on your YouTube channel, all you have to do is, as you can see here guys, there's a 3 dot under your video. Just click that thing there and click this save to playlist. It's either, if you don't have any playlist yet, all you have to do is create new playlist. So all you have to do is type a playlist name, like if shall we say travel blog, vlog, travel vlog, and then you just have to click create. Oh yeah, but then I already have my, right here, I already have my playlist, together playlist, my live streaming videos. So that video is, I'm going to put it on my live streaming videos. So let's do it again. Click here, save to playlist. If you don't have any playlist yet, you have to create new playlist. But then since I already have, I'm going to add that as my live streaming videos. As you can see here, when I added it, it would say in the bottom, like, let's see this. If we click this, I'm going to add that to my live streaming video, because that is my live streaming video. And here, look at here guys, it says added to my live streaming videos. So it is already added to my live streaming videos, and then all you have to do is click that. So it's all done. So yeah, that is so quick. So let's check our playlist here. So overall, there's are all my playlists, my live streaming videos, together playlist, hobbies, football, walking routine, out in the wild nature. It depends on you guys on what type of title you want on your playlist, or you have to group your videos. So you just have to do those. Let's try it again. Click here, then save to playlist, and then you just have to create a name, and then voila, it's done. It's so easy guys, and it's so quick. So if your friends are going to view if they're going to watch this, right, for example, together playlist, everything will be played. It's here. I have in my together playlist, I have 1 to 20 videos. So your friends doesn't have to click each and every videos, because it will continuously played until it's finished. So it's very convenient guys if you have a playlist. So this is for the special request of my friend Chrislyn Kadungo. So this is it, Chrislyn. This is the ultimate playlist tutorial on how to create a playlist. So there you go. You have a playlist already. It's so quick to make, so you guys should follow it. So if you guys find this helpful, and if you like the video, please do give it a like and a thumbs up. Please do give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed onto my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button so you will be updated on my next videos. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye.